Semen! Semen! Akka Semangat Pur! Do ABSI, other ranks 45, total 47, Akka Semangat Pur. Semen! Semen!
Lamphang ke ïingdorbar thawaiñ ke Jylla ba Metbah Lyngdoh ke jinghiadonlang jong Myntri ke tnat kampo ïing ke Jylla ba Lahkmen Rymbui, Director General of Police R Chandranathan, ke Additional Director General of Police Law and Order kong I Nongrang, plié paidbah ke jaka jinghikai ke nyngkong jong ke tnat Fire and Emergency Services ke Mairang. Ke tnat Fire and Emergency Services ke de ke tnat ke Ïohpdiang Mentri kam nadu snem khandai spa nyepu ar. Kani ke jaka plié ke nyngkong hapok ke Jylla ke Lahkmen jinghikai hadu praspa nyepun riungut kinong tre ke tnat. Haba jingkren ha ke sengi Lamphang loong kani ke jaka jinghikai ke Ïohpdiang lupa da ke ïing mala ke beladap benchna nomor kamenchwa la te ya kani ke ïing mala na ke benta ke tnat JAD jong ke sarkar Jylla.
It is the need of the hour for all of us to come together and work for the welfare of the people. We have many streams, many rivers in Mairang. Just for an example, I'm not saying that you have to give training only for Mairang, but this is meant for the entire state. But for the people of Mairang, they should take advantage of this situation to come forward and to volunteer how we can get those trainings from those trained personnel who are in these training schools, so that we can be a helping hand, not only for the people within our constituencies, but for the people in other parts of the state as well. This is what I feel that is the need of the hour, and I look forward that this training school should also not focus only on the training of personals, but always focus on the training, impart trainings for the community as a whole. I have got some tips that recently in Kinshi River, almost 30 people were rescued and evacuated. You know, where they have been saved, their life have been saved, and it is because of the hard work and the swift action by the fire team.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hakawe kaliang guba Lahkmen Rymbui la pensngau ba ungej bat ukermen pakani ke jaka jinghikai kan airu ke jinghikai syakitu ki brio ki balong kloi ban syakri bat panetre lang bat kani ke tnat habadan kinu ki jingja ki bakendit.
So this training school basically is not only for the personnel who recruit to the fire emergency service, but it should be. We should prepare a calendar that every district, every volunteer who are willing to come, we could teach them the basic needs for this response to this emergency service. Because as our DG has already mentioned, there are only about 876 personnel in the fire emergency wing. We have about more than 6,000 village. More than 6,000 village we have in the state of Myntri. And now we have so many challenges. Many are man-made. So we didn't want that any assets of the state, any assets of the people, especially in any loss of life could happen. I'm very glad that in spite of the constraint, that the fire emergency service tried its best to respond to the need of the people.